Hi everybody, welcome to my JavaScript tutorial presentation part. I'm just going to tell you about what we're going to process in this class in step by step. Firstly, I'm noting everything in notebook and I'm also putting in a YouTube channel and also some platform like Udemy and some website. So you can follow all of the steps to become a JavaScript programmer or even a React programmer. So yeah, you can check also my other courses. But anyway, let's get started with the JavaScript. So in this class, there will be kind of topics to understand all of the construction of the JavaScript programming language and the syntax and the construction. Yeah, all details there. So we're gonna start with the first topic, introduction to JavaScript. It will be our first main point before go to intermediate and advanced. There will be some topics, and I separated them into three pieces. So in first pieces, there will be grammar and types, control flow and error handling, and loops and iteration. And the one place will be about summary, and then we're going to continue with the functions, expressions, and operators, numbers, and data. So it will be about second topics. So in general, we're going to separate it in three volumes. So there will be also summary part. And we're going to continue with text formatting, regular expressions, and indexed collections. So by the way, this documentation from JavaScript MIDI website, JavaScript Learning Point. Just I'm gonna teach you everything in the practice. I know you can reach all of the information in theoretical way, but I'm not trying to convince you or even prove you things, but I have an idea that I can teach you in a practice that you can understand everything correctly and things will be comprehensive during the class time. Yeah. The other one will be Kate collections, working with objects using classes. Then will be summary part, and we're going to continue with using promises and iterators and generators, meta programming, and JavaScript modules. So it is our first interaction part, and then we're going to continue with the intermediate. But no worry, then you can choose a framework like a 3D.js or like React, whatever else you're interesting for. For example, if you're a web developer, you can continue with the front end part with the React, or even if you're an animator or like you making animation or this kind of stuff in Unity 3D or Blender, you can use 3D.js or whatever else you want to do. So everything in here, this is analog way, and I have digital way that you can watch in a YouTube channel. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a first lesson. Let's get started with the grammar and types. Thank you.